In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find symbols and tickers on TradingView tutorial. To begin, open TradingView and head to any chart. I'm starting from a generic demo index chart, but any chart works the same. This puts you in the main chart interface where you can quickly change what you're looking at without leaving the page. Think of this as your launchpad for finding the exact market you want to analyze. Next, move your attention to the search bar at the top of the chart. This is the symbol search, and it's your gateway to virtually every market TradingView supports. Clicking it opens a panel where you can search by company name, ticker, index, currency pair, futures contract, crypto pair, and more. If you're new to the terminology, a ticker is the short code for a tradable instrument, like a stock or a crypto pair, while a symbol often includes both the market code and the instrument, such as an exchange prefix followed by the ticker. Start typing the name or ticker you want. As you type, results will populate instantly. You can narrow these results using the filters inside the search panel. For example, switch between all, stocks, forex, crypto, futures, or indices to focus on the exact asset class you need. If you see several results with the same ticker, check the exchange label next to each listing. The exchange matters because different exchanges can have different prices, trading hours, and liquidity. Choose the one that matches where you plan to analyze or trade. You can refine even further by region, currency, or exchange, or type an exchange prefix followed by a colon and the ticker to jump directly to a listing. If a result isn't appearing, double check the spelling, make sure you're in the right asset category, and consider whether the instrument trades under a slightly different code on a specific exchange. When you find the one you want, click it, and the chart will update immediately to that symbol. A few quick tips as you search. If you're comparing instruments with similar names, hover or glance at the full description to confirm you've got the correct company or contract. If you're switching between stocks and crypto pairs, remember to change the category filter so your results stay relevant. And if you work across multiple exchanges or asset classes, using consistent filters helps you avoid pulling up the wrong market by accident. That's it. Open a chart, click the search bar, type the symbol or ticker, filter your results, and select the right listing. With this workflow, you'll move through TradingView quickly and confidently, so you can spend more time analyzing and less time searching.